dear students, their parents, faculty members, all the people connected with education in one or other way. It's a great moment and opportunity for me to be part of the inauguration week of a great idea called Prayoga, well thought and founded by HSN sir. Before I say a few words about Prayoga, I would like to convey my heartiest congratulations to HSN sir and his entire team who has produced this wonderful gift for the students to realize their dreams and to execute to reality what they imagine. In my recent visits to Bengaluru, I happened to visit Prayoga along with HSN sir and Mr. Valish, and I was so delighted and impressed by the whole infrastructure, whether it is building, the architecture, the different kind of facilities, each room and all the things present in the room, equipments, the other supporting things, everything creates an environment in which even a person who doesn't imagine things can start imagining things and feel like executing what he is imagining. So I felt that this is the true realization of the dream which HSN sir saw a few years back, and he shared with me also that he want to create a place where students can come and they can perform the experiments which otherwise cannot be performed in the school setup because of the uh, limitations of the school setup and the targets of the particular classes, that in this class this can be done, in this class this can be done, but here the arrangements have been made in such a way that there is no boundary for the imagination of the student and they can execute it here. When I was talking about who all will be helping the students, then HSN sir told me that there will be uh, very senior people from various universities, colleges, and having huge experience in conducting scientific research and assessing scientific research of the other people, so that the student will get all kinds of facilities and all kind of guidance right from how to do the experiment, guidance during doing the experiment, and after the experiment is done, the assessment of the results of the experiment. So overall I will just say that it's a wonderful experience, and I think it is uh, one of its kind in the private sector that has been developed with so much interest, and definitely so much uh, fund is also spent on this, which is beyond imagination of a common man. It's the large heart of HSN sir, and his you can say the affection towards the academics and towards the students, that this great thing has been developed and it has come up to this stage. I feel that hundreds of thousands of students will get benefit from this in the times to come, and it will be one of the place where the students will start their journey to become world renowned scientists. And for this wonderful thing, I again congratulate HSN sir and his team for bringing out this very uh, uh, academic oriented and research oriented uh, place for the students too. And it's not only the research work that can be done here, but the students can spend good time also because of the very nice arrangements done for the students in the their relaxation time, so that they can uh, release their stress which may get created while thinking, imagining, and sometimes not able to execute it. So that everything has been taken care of by HSN sir in designing this thing. Uh, like he founded base, and he took base to great heights, and we as resonance and base collaborated with each other, joined hands together to take it forward. I feel that this venture, or I should say this uh, charity work in the form of this Prayoga, a lab, will reach to great heights by the hard work, enthusiasm. At age of 70 plus, uh, enormous energy HSN sir has, and he has put in this project also. This project will also be a great success for him. I wish him uh, great good luck, and his team a good luck, and I wish the students will enjoy and learn both. Thank you very much.